Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome to Tech Sky. Today, we have a hands-on tutorial for you. I'm Brandon, your tech guide, and we're diving into the world of ethical hacking. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a pre-built Kali Linux machine in VirtualBox, creating a secure playground for your hacking adventures. Step 1. Download VirtualBox. First, you'll need VirtualBox, a powerful tool that allows you to run virtual machines. It's your bridge to the world of ethical hacking. Visit the official VirtualBox website where you will get the latest version. Click the Downloads tab to access the Downloads page and choose the version that matches your operating system. For example, if you're on Windows, select Windows hosts. Once you select your version, the download will begin. After the download is complete, install VirtualBox according to your operating system. If you don't know how to install it, you can check the installation process according to your operating system in the description below. This is your ticket to creating a virtual hacking environment. Step 2. Download Kali Linux. Now that you have VirtualBox, let's grab Kali Linux, a powerful ethical hacking operating system. Go to the official website of Kali Linux and click on the download button. It will redirect you to a new page. Click on the Virtual Machines card instead of the Installer Images card. Here, you can choose between different versions. Remember, if your computer is 64-bit, download the 64-bit version. Otherwise, go with the 32-bit version. For our setup, click on the VirtualBox card to download Kali Linux. It will download as a compressed file. Step 3. Extract the Kali Linux file. After downloading, you will have a zip file containing Kali Linux virtual machine files. Locate the zip file you just downloaded and extract the file to a location of your choice. Inside, you'll find two main files, one with the .vbox extension and the other a .vdi file. These are the files we will use to set up Kali Linux in VirtualBox. Step 4. Open VirtualBox. With VirtualBox installed and Kali Linux files ready, let's get to work. Launch VirtualBox. You'll see the VirtualBox Manager interface. In the VirtualBox Manager, go to Machine and click the Add button. A window will pop up, prompting you to choose a VirtualBox file. Navigate to the location where you extracted the Kali Linux files. Select the file with .vbox extension from the extracted Kali Linux folder. It may take a moment to add your Kali Linux virtual machine. Step 5. Confirm settings. Before finalizing the setup, let's make sure everything is in order. In the VirtualBox Manager, select your imported Kali Linux virtual machine. Then, click Settings. Review the settings, including the allocated RAM and processor cores. Ensure they match your system's capabilities. Step 6. Start Kali Linux. You're almost there, so let's boot up your virtual Kali Linux machine. Back in the VirtualBox Manager, click Start to launch Kali Linux. You'll be prompted for a username and password. The default username and password is Kali in lowercase. Once you've entered the credentials, you'll find yourself within the Kali Linux environment, ready to explore the world of ethical hacking. And there you have it. Your Kali Linux setup is complete, and you're now equipped to dive into ethical hacking, all within the safety of a virtual environment. Stay tuned for more exciting tech adventures, cybersecurity insights, and ethical hacking tips. I'm Brandon, your guide through the digital landscape. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to join us on this exciting journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.